guys, it's Jmart. I got a fun special effect that I'm going to be showing you guys today. We're going to be doing a lightning thunder simulation. I'll be taking you to the front yard where I have this set up. It's really cool, very simple to do. The device that does this special effect is called the Perfect Storm 2.0. I bought mine on Amazon. I've seen it on eBay, Amazon. I believe even Spirit sell this as well. Spirit Halloween. I'm gonna show you the setup for the Perfect Storm 2.0. I got this off at Amazon. I know that they sell them on eBay and all that as well. But this gives us our lightning thunder effect. I bought a CD player, so when you buy it, it comes with a CD. I'll show you that right there. So it's just a CD preloaded with the thunderstorm. But I had the CD player with some external speakers that will plug into this Perfect Storm 2.0. So I'll show you how that works. So it's pretty simple. You got an on and off switch. You got the sensitive it is to the sound to make that lightning effect, and then you got your input audio. So that's you got two different ways. You got the mic here. So if you don't have the input audio here, it will automatically default to the mic, and that will pick up the ambient sounds nearby. But if you want to just go to a specific audio track, that's where you can plug in CD player to directly put it into here, like a headphones basically. I do it, obviously I actually use the speakers because I do want to hear it. You can get a splitter that could feed it into here, and then also the speakers as well, so that it has just those specific ones, because if you make a loud noise, drop something, or you come by, it could set off the thunder. But if you want to literally go to the audio, you can do it through that input audio. So this is what will strobe the lights. So I'll have a power strip with all the different lights that go to this particular one, and right now I've got two. So if you can see, I've got two different lights. I have one up in the tree right there, and then also I got this one right here in this archway that I use. Very simple to do, not that hard to do, and I'll be tying that into this year's Halloween setup.